Sheikhupura is a city in Pakistan. It is in the Punjab province. This city is a hidden gem. It has lots of natural beauty. Sheikhupura also has a rich history. The city is a blend of old and new. You can find historical sites. You can also find modern developments. Sheikhupura is a fascinating place to explore. It offers something for everyone. Come with me as we journey to Sheikhupura. We will uncover its secrets. We will discover its treasures. Sheikhupura is a place where nature meets history. Sheikhupura is located in the heart of the Punjab plains. The land is very flat here. This makes it perfect for farming. The soil is fertile and rich. The climate in Sheikhupura is semi-arid. This means it has hot summers. The winters are mild. Rainfall is scarce. This makes water very important for the region. The people of Sheikhupura have adapted to this climate. They grow crops that can survive with less water. They also use irrigation canals to bring water to their fields. The Ravi River is a lifeline for Sheikhupura. This ancient river has been nurturing the land and its people for centuries. Flowing gracefully through the heart of the region, it is not just a body of water, but a source of life and sustenance for countless communities. This mighty river flows near the city, providing a scenic backdrop and a vital resource. The proximity of the river to urban areas means that it plays a crucial role in the daily lives of the residents. From the early morning mist rising off its surface to the golden hues of sunset reflecting on its waters, the Ravi River is a constant presence in the lives of those who live nearby. It provides water for drinking, washing, and irrigation. The river's water is a precious commodity, essential for the survival and well-being of the local population. Farmers rely on its waters to irrigate their fields, ensuring bountiful harvests. Women come to its banks to wash clothes, a daily ritual that has been passed down through generations. The Ravi River is crucial for the local ecology. Its waters nourish the surrounding forests and fields, creating a lush green landscape that is teeming with life. The river's presence ensures that the local flora and fauna thrive, maintaining a delicate balance in the ecosystem. The river brings with it silt and nutrients. These natural deposits enrich the soil, making the riverbanks some of the most fertile lands in the region. This fertility supports a wide variety of crops and plants, contributing to the agricultural prosperity of the area. This helps the land to be fertile. The nutrient-rich silt carried by the river rejuvenates the soil, ensuring that the farmlands remain productive year after year. This natural process is vital for the sustainability of local agriculture. The river also supports a variety of plants and animals. Its waters are a haven for numerous species, providing a habitat that is rich in biodiversity. From the smallest insects to larger mammals, the Ravi River is a lifeline for many forms of wildlife. Many fish live in the Ravi River. The river's clear waters are home to a diverse array of fish species, which are a crucial part of the local diet and economy. Fishermen can be seen casting their nets, a practice that has sustained their families for generations. Birds also depend on the river for food and water. The riverbanks are a bustling hub of avian activity, with birds of all kinds flocking to its waters. These birds play an important role in the ecosystem, helping to control insect populations and disperse seeds. The Ravi River is a precious resource for Sheikhupura. Its waters are integral to the community's way of life, supporting both their daily needs and their cultural traditions. The river is a symbol of life, continuity, and connection for the people of Sheikhupura. It is important to keep the river clean and healthy. Protecting the Ravi River is essential for the well-being of the environment and the people who depend on it. Efforts to clean and preserve the river are crucial, ensuring that it continues to be a source of life for future generations. Sheikhupura is home to several natural attractions. This city, located in the Punjab province of Pakistan, is a blend of historical significance and natural beauty. The lush green fields and serene lakes make it a perfect getaway for nature lovers and history enthusiasts alike. The landscape here is dotted with numerous lakes and monuments that tell tales of a rich cultural heritage. One of the most popular is Sheikhupura Lake. This lake is not just a body of water, it is a sanctuary for both wildlife and people seeking tranquility. The calm waters of the lake reflect the sky, creating a picturesque scene that is perfect for photography and relaxation. This large lake is a haven for birds. Various species of birds can be seen here, especially during the migratory season. Bird watchers and nature photographers flock to this spot to capture the beauty of these avian visitors. The sight of birds taking flight from the water's surface is truly mesmerizing. People also enjoy boating and fishing on the lake. The lake offers a variety of recreational activities. Families and friends often come here to spend a day out on the water, enjoying the peaceful environment. Fishing enthusiasts find the lake to be an excellent spot for catching a variety of fish. Another famous landmark is Hiran Minar. This monument stands as a testament to the architectural prowess of the Mughal era. The structure is not only significant for its historical value, but also for its unique design and the stories associated with it. This historical monument was built by the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. The intricate details of its architecture reflect the grandeur of the Mughal dynasty. Each element of the structure has been carefully crafted, showcasing the artistic skills of the craftsmen of that time. It is a tall tower. Standing majestically, the tower offers a panoramic view of the surrounding area. Visitors often climb to the top to get a bird's-eye view of the lush gardens and the lake nearby. The height of the tower adds to its imposing presence. It is said to have been built in memory of his beloved pet deer, Mansraj. This story adds a touch of poignancy to the monument, making it not just a piece of architecture, but a symbol of love and remembrance. The inscriptions and plaques around the monument provide more insights into its history. Hiran Minar is surrounded by a large garden. These gardens are meticulously maintained and offer a peaceful retreat for visitors. The greenery around the monument enhances its beauty and provides a serene environment for relaxation. This garden is home to many species of trees and flowers. The variety of flora adds color and vibrancy to the area. Walking through the garden, one can see a range of plants, from towering trees to delicate flowers, each contributing to the garden's charm. It is a popular spot for picnics and leisurely walks. Families often come here to spend quality time together, enjoying the natural beauty and the historical ambience. The garden paths are perfect for a leisurely stroll, allowing visitors to soak in the tranquility and the rich history of the place.
Section 5. A haven for birds and other wildlife. Sheikhupura is, well, a paradise for birdwatchers. The city's lakes and wetlands attract many species of birds. Some of the birds you can find here include herons, egrets, and kingfishers. The surrounding countryside is also home to a variety of animals. You might spot jackals, foxes, and even wild boar if you are lucky. The people of Sheikhupura understand the importance of protecting wildlife. They know that these animals are an important part of the ecosystem.
Section 6. The walls tell a story, history and culture. Sheikhupura has a rich history and culture. The city is dotted with historical landmarks. These landmarks tell stories of the past. One of the most impressive landmarks is the Sheikhupura Fort. This fort was built in the 17th century. It has been ruled by many different empires over the years. The local people have a rich cultural heritage. They are known for their hospitality and warm welcome. Visiting Sheikhupura is a great way to experience the culture of Punjab.
Section 7. Facing the environmental challenge. Like many cities around the world, Sheikhupura faces environmental challenges. Pollution, deforestation, and climate change threaten the city's natural beauty. Industrial waste can pollute the water and air. Cutting down trees can lead to soil erosion. Climate change can cause extreme weather events like floods and droughts. These challenges require urgent action. The people of Sheikhupura are working hard to find solutions. They know that protecting the environment is essential for their future. Section 8. Conservation efforts in Sheikhupura. Sheikhupura is taking steps to protect its environment. The city is promoting tree planting initiatives. These initiatives help to improve air quality and prevent soil erosion. The government is also working to reduce industrial pollution. They are encouraging factories to adopt cleaner technologies. These efforts are starting to show results. Local communities are also playing their part. They are organizing cleanup drives and raising awareness about environmental issues. Every little bit helps.
Section 9. Sheikhupura, where nature meets history. Sheikhupura is a city where nature meets history. Nestled in the heart of Punjab, this city is a treasure trove of historical landmarks and natural beauty. As you wander through its streets, you'll find yourself stepping back in time, surrounded by the remnants of a rich and vibrant past. It is a place where you can explore ancient forts. The Sheikhupura Fort, for instance, stands as a testament to the architectural prowess of bygone eras. Built during the Mughal period, this fort has witnessed centuries of history unfold within its walls. As you walk through its corridors, you can almost hear the whispers of the past, telling tales of battles, celebrations, and everyday life. You can also enjoy the peace and tranquility of nature. The city is dotted with lush parks and serene gardens, offering a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Imagine spending a lazy afternoon under the shade of ancient trees, with the gentle rustling of leaves and the chirping of birds as your only companions. From the banks of the Ravi River to the heights of Hiran Minar, Sheikhupura offers something for everyone. The Ravi River, with its calm and soothing waters, is a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll or a quiet moment of reflection. And then there's Hiran Minar, a unique monument built in memory of a beloved pet deer. Climbing to the top of this tower, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Whether you are a nature enthusiast or a history buff, you are sure to find something to fascinate you in this hidden gem of Punjab. The city's diverse offerings ensure that there's always something new to discover. For the adventurous, there are numerous hiking trails that take you through some of the most picturesque landscapes in the region. History lovers can spend days exploring the many historical sites, each with its own unique story to tell. So why not plan a trip to Sheikhupura today? With so much to see and do, it's the perfect destination for a weekend getaway or a longer vacation. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or on your own, Sheikhupura promises an experience that you'll cherish for a lifetime. Pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to create memories that will last forever. Experience the magic of this unique city. You won't be disappointed. As the sun sets over the city's landmarks, casting a golden glow over everything, you'll find yourself falling in love with Sheikhupura. The warmth of its people, the richness of its history, and the beauty of its natural surroundings all come together to create a truly unforgettable experience. So come and discover Sheikhupura for yourself. You won't regret it.